it's Patrick Grosser with the 513 Flat Fee Real Estate Group at Fathom Realty. I would love to tell you about the market news here in the Cincinnati real estate market for this past week compared to the same time last year, like I normally do every week. But unfortunately, the MLS has been down due to a cyber attack on the server on which the MLS's software is hosted. That's affecting Cincinnati and other markets throughout the country, so I don't have the data. We don't know when it's going to be back up. But I did want to share a success story with you about our listing in Summit Estates in Anderson Township. We were able to get multiple offers, well over list price, and very favorable terms for the sellers. Got that under contract and also a backup offer just in case that current contract doesn't close. So congratulations to our clients here in Summit Estates, again in Anderson Township. And also congratulations to the buyers who will become our new neighbors here in Summit Estates as long as that deal closes here soon. But if you want a sophisticated marketing approach that can get you those multiple offers and leverage those multiple offers in negotiations to get you the best price and terms for the sale of your home, so ultimately you can net the most money from the sale of your home and get the best terms possible when you sell your home here in Cincinnati, visit our site at 513flatfee.com. Click the link to schedule a call. If you're not ready to do that, you just want to browse the site, learn more about our services, you can do that as well. Ultimately, you can find out how much you can save and how much you can net on the sale of your home and get the most favorable terms with our premium flat fee listings. If you've been shopping for a home lately, the biggest story, of course, in the past year or so has been mortgage interest rates rising. Right now, the benchmark average interest rate for a 30-year mortgage, according to bankrate.com, is 7.46%. It's much higher than it was the last couple of years. Some reports have it as the highest rate we've seen since 2002. So it's definitely difficult right now to afford to buy a home with those interest rates and with the fact that home values have risen 18 to 19% in 2021 and 2022. And here in 2023, we've seen about a 4% hike in home values as well. So affordability is very difficult right now for home buyers. We feel especially bad for first-time buyers. The only silver lining for buying a home for first-time home buyers is that it's actually even more expensive and more difficult to rent a single-family home right now. Maybe not an apartment, but if you want a condo or you want a home where you're not attached to everybody in an apartment style, then it may make more sense even financially to buy a home versus renting. Obviously, the old adage that, our interest rate right now is 7.46% on average, but the interest rate on rentals is 100%, which it's kind of true. It kind of makes me roll my eyes a little bit because, of course, there's more to it than that. That's just kind of a little phrase that's clever, but it doesn't tell the whole story. Certainly, I think buying a home versus renting a home is more of a lifestyle choice. Yes, it has financial implications as well, but if you feel strongly that you want to live in one place for quite a while, a few years at least, and you want to build some equity and you don't mind doing home maintenance and taking on that risk, then I think it makes sense to buy a home. If you're not sure about that, then you probably should rent until you are sure of that, because it is a big decision. Ultimately, you can't really move out unless you sell what you've bought there. So you don't want to make a mistake, buy this year and then try to have to sell next year. We do expect home values to continue to increase, but there are expenses to selling, and we don't want to get you in a situation where you're upside down and you have to get out and sell for a loss. So if you have any questions about buying or selling, or maybe doing both at the same time, how to get the best deal on the home that you're buying, how to net the most money when you sell your home, how to navigate the logistics, the timing of buying and selling at the same time, feel free to reach out to us. You can visit our site at 513flatfee.com, click the schedule a call button. You can also call or text 513-497-8803. I'm Patrick Grosser with the 513 Flat Fee Real Estate Group at Fathom Realty.